We now have cages where the piano went and the walkway. These are our two new birds. This one here is a cockatoo. And her name is Katie. We're not sure if it's a boy or a girl. You can't tell for about 6 months. Hi.
You should name a bird like that you're not aware of Shannon. Then that'll way to be unisex.
Yeah.
Shannon boy, Shannon girl.
Pat or Chris.
That's Charlie.
And this one here is a macaw, blue and gold macaw, and this is Callie. Callie's sweet bird. Yeah. Hi. Hello. And they say you kind of lift up their wing and pet them here, and you get the hello. You get that flap effect when they learn to say hello. Hi. Hi. Hello.
Let me get back with it, Bobby, if I could, and you get the birds out and kind of show them Sonder here.
Okay.
Okay. These cages are unbelievable. As you can see, Bobby can almost get in the cage himself. I think maybe that's what it's for. Shonda gets mad at him. Hold on right there, and that's real.
This is Callie, and both of these are babies. They're only 3 months old, so they're still being hand-fed once in the morning, once at night.
Beautiful birds. Now watch him flap his wing. You know, he's been doing it all morning, but now that we got the camera on him, you know how that works. They don't do anything.
Exercise. Okay, flap your wings. There you go. Pretty.
Big wingspan.
Okay.
That's one of the birds there.
Come here.
Now this one's name is what?
Katie.
Katie.
She's a little bit older than the other one. But still clumsy.
This is Bobby's Sanctuary.
Pretty bird.
I wish she'd do, maybe if you put her on top and talk to her, would she do her,
Hi.
I wish you could see this on her. She has feathers that stick up on top of her head.
Crown.
A crown, like you wouldn't believe.
Hi. Sometimes we'll be getting too loud in here. She made me put some words. See that right there is telling you she wants to be, believe it or not, wants to be rubbed right there. She wants to be rubbed. Can you say puppy? Puppy. There we go. Scare that puppy away. Say, go away, puppy. Say, I'll scare you.
I cannot believe that. Is that a head of hair or what?
See, it's to intimidate so that it'll scare them away.
I cannot believe it.
You have to fall off. Okay, come on. Come on. No more rubbing.
Now, hold on, let me walk in here real quick. I gotta point the camera at Shonda one time. This is Shonda. It's 11:45 in the morning, and she's still in bed asleep. It's almost noon. She hasn't done anything. You can see by kind of looking at the bed and all. Pillows on the side. She just won't do nothing but sleep. I don't know what we're gonna do with her. I'm only teasing. It's about 8:45 in the morning. Okay.